Pros and cons of living in Amarillo is a topic that surprises most people once they see the hidden reality. Situated in the high plains of the Texas Panhandle, this city offers a unique lifestyle for everyone. You might think the isolation is a deal breaker, but wait until you hear about the housing market here. I remember driving through the wide open spaces and feeling a strange sense of calm, unlike any city. The median home price sits comfortably below the national average, making it ideal for first buyers. Imagine saving $1,000 every month on rent compared to living in Austin or Dallas today. You walk into a local bank, deposit those extra savings, and suddenly realize your future is secure. I really had to sit with that for a moment because financial freedom is hard to find elsewhere now. One major downside is the intense weather, as high winds and sudden storms can disrupt daily plans. On the brighter side, Palo Duro Canyon provides incredible hiking and camping for weekend escapes. The healthcare sector is robust here, acting as a regional hub for the entire surrounding area today. The culture is rooted in a strong community spirit where neighbors genuinely look out for each other. Job growth is steady but slower than major Texas hubs, which might frustrate ambitious career seekers. Traffic is almost non-existent, meaning you will rarely spend time stuck on a crowded highway here. Local schools perform adequately, though some families still seek better options in larger districts. Crime rates in certain neighborhoods require research, so choose where you plant your roots carefully. That specific observation surprised me, as I expected lower rates throughout the entire city limits. Remember that housing market fact, because the affordability gap is narrowing as more people move in. I personally enjoyed the quiet pace, but I missed the diversity of food options found in bigger spots. First, visit the city for a week during the windy season to see if you can handle the climate change. Second, check the latest census data for your specific neighborhood to ensure safety meets your needs. Third, talk to local real estate agents about growth trends before you sign any long-term lease deals. Amarillo is not a place for everyone, but it offers a peaceful life for those who value affordability. We must weigh our personal ambitions against the quiet comfort that this unique region offers daily. Consider what truly makes you happy when you think about where you want to call your home base today.